Ever had a page vanish on your Squarespace site, leaving visitors lost and search engines confused? Let's fix that with effortless URL redirects in just a few minutes. First things first, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website's dashboard. Look for the settings cogwheel icon, usually found on the left-hand sidebar, and click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down or look for the advanced section. Within this section, you'll find a variety of technical options for your site. Click on Advanced. Now, within the advanced settings, your next step is to locate and select the redirects option. This is where the magic happens for managing your URLs. You'll now see the redirects management page. To create a new redirect, look for a button, often labeled Add Redirect, or a plus icon. Click on this to begin. This is where you'll specify the old URL that you want to redirect in the old path field. Enter the exact web address or slug of the page that no longer exists or has been moved. For example, if your old page was www.wirewebsite.com/oldpagename, you just type old page name here. Next, in the new path field, you'll enter the correct URL of the page you want visitors to land on. This could be a new page you've created or a page with an updated slug. So, if your new page is at www.wirewebsite.com/newupdatepage, you'll enter /newupdatepage in this field. Once you've entered both the old and new paths, locate and click on the Save or Add Redirect button to finalize the change. Squarespace will now automatically send anyone trying to access the old URL to your new page. And there you have it. Your redirect is now active. This simple process is a powerhouse for maintaining a healthy website, ensuring visitors and search engines always find what they're looking for, keeping your SEO strong, and preventing any broken link headaches.